In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on 1688 app without an agent. We'll walk through the full process so you can order safely and confidently on your own. 1688 is a major Chinese wholesale platform, and the key to success here is preparation, clear communication, and using Alipay's escrow for protection. Start by opening the 1688 app and logging in. Before you shop, make sure your Alipay is linked. Payments on 1688 are processed through Alipay, and escrow will hold your money until you confirm you've received the goods, which keeps you protected. When searching for products, use Chinese keywords to get the best wholesale results. Type terms like Nuzhuang for women's clothing, Nanzhuang for men's clothing, Shouji Peijian for phone accessories, Jiezi for shoes, and Gonghan Zhuxiao for factory direct. Avoid English listings. They're often resellers with higher prices. If you don't speak Chinese, copy and paste these terms into the search bar. Simple, relevant keywords usually bring up better suppliers. Next, choose a reliable supplier, check the store age, and aim for 3 years or more. Look for the verified seller badge, strong sales volume, and a repeat buyer rate around 20% or higher. Read real reviews with photos, not just star ratings. Be cautious with brand new stores, deals that seem unbelievably cheap, or listings with no reviews. Those are common risk flags. Before you place an order, open the built-in chat and confirm details. Ask 是否支持意见代发, which means do they support dropshipping? 是否支持验货? Do they allow inspection? 发货时间多久? How long until they ship? And 是否支持退款? What is the refund policy? Keep all communication inside the app so it's recorded with your order. When you're ready, select the product options like size and color, enter your China warehouse or freight forwarder address, choose your quantity, and tap Liji Go My, which is buy now. Double check the address format your warehouse provided. For payment, choose Alipay and complete checkout. With escrow, your funds are held until you confirm receipt, so don't rush that confirmation. Keep screenshots of your order and chat just in case. After payment, the seller ships to your warehouse. Track the parcel inside 1688 and do not confirm receipt yet. Wait for the warehouse to check the goods. At the warehouse, ensure the quantity is correct, the quality matches the listing, and the items are as described. If something is wrong, apply for a refund immediately through the order page. Only confirm receipt when you're satisfied. If there's an issue, open a dispute before the order auto-confirms and include